For this next DIY, what you're going to need is this love sign from the Dollar Tree. I have 2 of them. Some gloss pink spray paint, a screwdriver. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this hanger because these things stand on their own, just like that. So I'm going to use it as a stand. So I'm going to spray paint the front and the back and not use it as a sign. So I'm going to unscrew just like that. The sign from the back. And you'll have 2 little holes, which I'll fill in before I start spray painting. So it's the same on both sides. Okay, I'm going to do that for both of my signs, and then I'm going to take it outside and spray paint. A small tip for if you do not have any kind of caulk to fill in a hole is some white toothpaste. Put a little white toothpaste on a Q-tip, just like that. And then you fill in the hole. If you're going to paint over it, you won't ever see that. Just like that. You can do the same thing on this side. Okay, you're going to get your pink spray paint, and then you're going to spray paint the entire left side. Then in a little bit, we'll spray paint the other side. Once it dries on the first side, you want to turn it over on the other side and then spray. This is the love sign. I spray painted it pink, but that did not work out very well for me. So I got some of this white heavy duty acrylic paint, and I put some on here, and I got just a regular just kid's brush, and I'll show you how I did. I put a little bit of paint and I'm getting it off, and I'm just dabbing it all around. To hide the imperfections of the spray paint. It goes well with your red and pink and white decorations. Here are 4 pillow covers that I got spread out all over my living room for Valentine's. That one says love you more. That one says love. This one says home is wherever I'm with you. And the last one says happy Valentine's Day. And I have these spread out all over my living room, but I just put them all on one couch for you to see them all together. And I will link down below for Amazon where I got these. And I just cover my existing pillows that are out here in the pillow covers. And then when the season changes, I take off these and store them away with my decor.